So for this week's module, we had to watch the YouTube video on the Milky Way galaxy, and we were asked the question for this week's discussion about where is the most likely place that life inhabits in our galaxy. And it is possible that there could be some life in the center bar area of the Milky Way galaxy, though this life would probably be on the verge of extinction because most of those stars are in their later stages of their life and on the verge of dying. And so those life forms that would inhabit those planets surrounding those stars would also be on the verge of collapse once those stars die. And there was also a black hole in the center of the galaxy, which is probably not too good for any planets circling stars in that area. The most likely place that we see life will be in the spiral arms area because that is where there are new stars forming. So there could be new life just kind of developing there as we speak. And there could also be life in the halo area of the Milky Way, though that life would probably be a lot older than life in the spiral arms area, considering we're in the spiral arms area. So any life that's in there, if they're intelligent life forms, they're probably a lot more advanced than we are here on Earth. And they might also be on the verge of collapse because those stars are old too, so their stars could be dying. So I think the most likely place to find life would be in the spiral arms area of the galaxy.